This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Dante Lawrence. Great opportunity. Rare find. Perfect for me. Have you heard these phrases? Believe it or not, they all accurately describe 110 Incline. This 2-bedroom, low-maintenance ranch has been tastefully updated in and out. With a great deck to enjoy your beautiful view, flat yard, and quiet neighborhood. Also with additional room and basement with potential to make an office space, bedroom, or gym. Come and see to appreciate all the advantages of this cozy gem on the ridge. Won't last long. List of updates will be provided for buyers. For more information, review the details below.